You can let me know. Has that ever worked for you?
5,200. Multiply it by 20. Yo!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Let's enjoy betting time is yours. So guys, how's your morning going on? All good in the hood? Let's go. Did you had your breakfast already? What is going on here? Breakfast? I know, but good luck. Good luck. It's a nightmare. It's nighttime here, my guy. Oh, where, Dookie? 2x on going flip from Topslot. Can we get a crazy time? The Baba power. Let me do this first, guys. Yeah! Let's go. Me lords and me ladies, top of our morning to ya. Right. This all because of the Baba. Time to choose that flopper, green, blue, or yellow. Majority taking the blue flopper. Let's check it out. The multiplier. What's the max? 100x. Off we go. Green flopper, go for that double. All right, so the max multiply right now, ladies and gentlemen, will be 200x. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 210,291 euros.
100x for that green flopper, ladies and gentlemen. 200 on green, 20x on blue, and 35x on the yellow. Ladies.
This one's go to Johnny Wellian, Johnny Dumont. All right. There we go. Let's continue. Dealer side strategy fail. JJ, I think you need to think of the new strategy. Because in my case, with my height, yeah, it's not going to work like that. 5x and cash hand. Oh, come on! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Ow! We got a cash hand again, but this time the improved version. 5 times improved more. Let's see what's the base deal first to understand what's going to be the highest. 100x is the highest basic, which means it will be 500x now. Boom, bada, boom, ta-da. No, are you ready? Let's go. This begins now. The rules are still the same. Things are random, emojis are random. What you see at the start is not a guarantee it will be the same after the shuffle. And you better use your luck and intuition. That's the only way to do it here, right? Yay, well, 500x there. Keep in mind, the big prize and very nice one could be for you. Woo! Okay, here we go. I'll give my...
This is the amount of money issued, 340,725 euros.
Second order on the left side. Congrats everybody. 40 people with the 500x, so 400 people with the 250x, 4,584 total wins. Well, with the top winner with 23k. Johnny and Kay, I'm second, third place. Whew, I said, oh, mamma mia, there was a lot of things to say. But hey, what I was trying to say with all...
So next cash hand. Vai bet rejected. Zilo, please contact live support or homepage of your casino, contact us button, okay? Cash hand here. Cash hand with 7x? Whoa! It's gonna be spectacular. 10K. Can you stay? Let's make a history. Wow, 7x now will be applied. Thank you. Boom. Oh my, there's triple digit multipliers like almost everywhere. 425x. 700x max multiplier. Oh my, oh my. Good luck, of course. I will tell you in all of languages. Kapate, that's by the way Japanese. Good luck. Viel Glück. Yeah, that's German. Maybe as well Austrian. Oh, Veiksmes, Latvian language. Sekmes, Lithuanian. Liketil. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 761,446 euros.
Look what you have there. 700s over there. Oh my, 52 players catch 700s. Compliment top 5. 505x Maron, 140x Dashi. They're just speechless, really. That was amazing. Thank you, Crazy Time Game Show. Thank you, TV Topslot. Well done. Well done. Happy month, mate. Best of luck and started reaction conflict. Susan, thank you.
Better close. X on Crazy Time. Wow, that would be exciting. My height, 1.54. Stay. Woohoo! Ladies and gents, we're not just having a Crazy Time bonus going right now. We get a 5 times improved version. So, hey, you better pick your flapper real carefully now, guys. Wow, okay, awesome to be back. What a joy, what a pleasure. Let's add the 5x to the wheel and then, you know what's done. Alright, here it goes. Decision time, green, blue, yellow flappers offered, or the add to pick feature if you're not too bothered. Alright guys, I'll try yellow this time. We go 500x is the highest multiplier for this thing.
This is the amount of money issued 1,055,065 euros.
Right, look at them blue guys. 500x moral compensation for the previous Crazy Time. 5,200 ones. Huge compliment, guys. Mega compliment title. 26 got a top one, 34k Canon KM taking third place. Blue team. What's this? The Blue Flames of win. Very proud of you guys. Very proud. Now we need to get the same on the other two flappers, right?
Congratulations, 5,806 winners. Lovely. Betting time it is. 7 side of play option for each user. Newcomers, hello, welcome. How are you doing? Let's go. Numbers, good luck. $5x cash in from Topslot. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let's go with our cash-ons. Yes, sir. Me lords and me ladies, top of our morning to ya. All right, let's see the multipliers. We're going to 75x, 20x, and the main prize, which is 100x, but everything will be multiplied with a 5x or the... What? The biggest multiply, 2,500. Let's get in, guys. What? No way. No way. The Baba power. I'm telling ya, guys. I'm telling ya. So right now, take a good aim and take a good shot. Try to undown that 2,500x, guys. That's rich. That's rich, big time. If you don't want to do yourself, you're more than welcome to use that auto pick. And let's see what I do.
This is the amount of money issued 276,320 euros.
Red, guys. That Baba power, who got it? Sarge, Water, Seaver, WL. 6,119 winners. Enjoy betting time.
Has that ever worked for you, Talon? You can let me know. Has that ever worked for you? We got 20x now on Pachinko. Beautiful. And you know what is beautiful is that we hit it. Woo! Pachinko with these 20x. Alright, welcome everyone. This has a lot of potential, doesn't it? Yes, it does. So it starts with the 2x, going on to 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 15, 25, double, that times everything by 20. So I guess the lowest is 60, no, the lowest is 40, let's go to the Pachinko. And the highest is going to be 500. Alright, 500. Let's drop it. Let's go. Down. Oh, 200.
This is the amount of money issued 98,905 euros.
For the Pachinko. Okay, the best open top winners are Jessica, Danica, and Matt. Well done. Place the bet. That was 200x for that Pachinko.
Came here to test out Crazy Time a bit. This spinner. What the hell was going on? Nah, 20x Pachinko. What is this? Okay. Lock in. Let's see. Job ain't finished. I don't even know what's going on. 20x Pachinko. Let's do this smoothie. Starting from 2x, 5, 7, 15, 20, 50, 200. Multiply it by 20. Yo, some decent payouts right here, yeah? Alright. Yo, this Pachinko got me off guard, but we in this. So let's drop it. And I wish you the best of luck, bro. Biggest multi 4,000. Go on then, son. For the 4,000.
This is the amount of money issued 2,839,780 euros.
Look at that. Look at that. 2,154 of you win Camille. 200 grand top of the winners list. Damn, God. Yo, what happened?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.